In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to randomize the order of your slides in Google Slides using an add-on. This can be a great tool for educators, presenters, or anyone looking to add a dynamic twist to their presentations. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your presentation is open in Google Slides. Once you have it open, take a look at the top menu. You'll see an option called Extensions. Click on that. From the drop-down menu, look for Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons. This is where you can find a variety of useful tools to enhance your Google Slides experience. In the search bar of the Add-ons window, type in something like Randomize Slides by Alice Keeler. This particular add-on is quite popular and works efficiently to shuffle the order of your slides. Once you've found it, click on it to begin the installation process. You'll need to follow the prompts as they appear on your screen, which will include granting any necessary permissions. Don't worry, these permissions are standard and ensure the add-on integrates smoothly with your slides. After you've successfully installed the add-on, return to the Extensions menu. You should now see Randomize Slides by Alice Keeler listed there. Hover over it, and then choose Show Sidebar, or a similar option. This will open up a new area on your screen where the functionality of the add-on lives. In the sidebar, you'll notice a button labeled Randomize Slides. Clicking this button will scramble the order of your slides, creating a fresh, new arrangement. Now, an important feature to note is the option to keep your first slide fixed. This is particularly useful if your first slide is a title page or contains essential information you want to remain at the start of your presentation. Ensure you select this option if you wish to keep that slide in place while the rest are shuffled. After you've randomized the slides, take some time to review your presentation. Go through each slide in order to make sure the new arrangement meets your expectations and purpose. This is a good moment to verify that any sequential content still makes sense and that the message of your presentation remains clear and effective. And that's it. Using this add-on can easily bring a new dimension to your presentations by providing a randomized order with just a few clicks. Whether you're preparing for a class, a meeting, or any event that could benefit from a shuffled slide arrangement, this method can save you time and add an exciting element to your work. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.